Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So up until now, if you wanted to create a number on HubSpot, you were able to create just a normal number wherein which you could share with your prospects and they could get in touch with you or someone from your team by dialing in that number. What HubSpot has recently introduced is a toll-free number. So yes, via HubSpot, you can now generate a toll-free number, which you can then post it on your website and all of your communications so that if anyone wants to call a toll-free number, they could make use of that particular number and you could provide it to them from inside of HubSpot. So this feature is still under beta right now. So I'll walk you step by step how to enroll into that beta and then how to get your own toll-free number in this particular video. So let's dive in. To start off with, as you go to settings, over here, click on products and updates. And under new, you could just type in toll free. So you see the moment you do that, you see this toll free number US, click on it. And at the bottom, you will have the option to enroll into this beta. Now I've already enrolled myself into the beta, hence it's giving me the option to leave beta. But for you, when you come on to this particular screen, you will get the option to enroll into a beta and you just need to click on it, give it access, and that's it. Wait for around 2 to 3 minutes and this feature will be live on your particular HubSpot instance. So once you enroll into the website and you've waited for around 2 to 3 minutes, go to settings again, scroll down over here, click on calling, click on call setup. And over here, you will find this get a HubSpot number. Get HubSpot number, click on next. So now if you see up until now, you just had these options, country and area prefix code, and then it used to generate a number. But now there's this new block which gets added, which is a number type. So I just select United States because I think this beta, currently it's only applicable for the US. Under the local option, I get two options over here now. It's either local or toll free. Select toll free and I select any one of these prefixes. And then I ask it to generate a number and it will generate a toll free number for my particular business. So that's how easy it is. That's how you do it. You just need to enroll into this beta first and then come to the screen for you to be able to create your toll free number for your business. So yeah, hope you found it useful. Thank you.